क्लब वालों को, रहवासियों को, वनवासी और रहवासी दोनों को दिवाली की भरपूर शुभेच्छा और आप सबका स्वागत, तहे दिल से स्वागत।
Thank you.
So we are going to start the program now. So please take your seats now.
Please take your seats. Kids are entertained.
Am I in your front? Should I
Hopefully,
move
will entertain you as well.
Correct. And I think they are fed well also right now with the pizza and everything. So I think we are covered to start the program.
All right. So let's start with Happy Diwali, everyone. That's weak. That's weak.
आप सभी को शुभ दीपावली। ब्लूबेरी कंट्री क्लब के दिवाली संयोजक समिति की तरफ से मैं आप सभी लोगों का तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। Obviously, जो संयोजक कमिटी, this is obviously it is growing every year. So we need more participation going forward. We will discuss that. But let's get started with the program. And
Yeah, this Diwali was like a 2 हफ्ते लेट है, so it's like an extended edition of the Diwali.
एब्सोल्युटली, मगर ऑब्वियसली हम कहते हैं ना कि इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम, राइट? तो इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम के हिसाब से ठीक ही है। और वैसे भी छोटी दिवाली कल है, तो बड़ी दिवाली है छोटी दिवाली, which is tomorrow. So I think you guys all know about the छोटी दिवाली.
Exactly. So you know what? It's better to have one than not have one. So look at this beautiful crowd. We really appreciate you taking time off your busy schedule to go to the constructions, kids ka soccer tournaments, swimming, whatever activities that you're doing, and not to miss all those dates in Costco. Me and my wife, that's where we have dates, Costco dates. So I know Saturday night is a Costco date night. Thank you for missing it up and spending time with us. Happy Diwali.
And absolutely, everybody is looking gorgeous. सभी लोग
I don't know सभी लोग, इनको exception दिख रहा है मेरे को।
अब एक्सेप्शन ढूंढ लेंगे तो फिर उसको पॉइंट आउट नहीं करेंगे। आई नो द एक्सेप्शन जिसकी तुम बात कर रहे हो, बट लेट्स नॉट ऑब्वियसली
Don't pick on people.
नो पिकिंग हियर ऑब्वियसली। बट आप देखो हमारे मिलिंद भाई जो कि इट इज लुकिंग लाइक अ क्वीन राइट नाउ। हाँ, तो उसी की तो फिर फोकस करता है। रणवीर भाई हमेशा की तरह से डैशिंग, सुहास,
You're picking on Ranveer.
Yeah, I think
Ranveer, yeah. Suhas, Ranveer. And obviously, Ravi is right here, right? So, he always looks handsome. So, वो है ही है. And then ladies, obviously, right? Aunties की, मतलब ladies की बात कर रहा हूँ. Aunties नहीं, ladies, sorry. Yeah. Auntie नहीं बोलेगा.
everybody is looking gorgeous. Thank you for coming. We have a packed performance tonight, and there are a lot of people who have put in a lot of effort to put on the show for you. So enjoy the appetizers, the drinks. Hopefully everybody's gotten started with the drinks. इसको alcoholic beverages चाहिए. There is a little counter if you have missed out. There's wine and whiskey. If you're a teetotaler, there is soft drinks. There's actual tea and Parle G also. Special request from
Absolutely. Parle G. Who doesn't like Parle G? I mean, obviously. It's Ravi Ji. There you go. Okay, thanks. All right, so let's get started and maybe you can provide a quick overview कि हमारा आज का क्या agenda है. So let's go with that.
So the way we are going to do this is, in the beginning, we are going to have some smashing performance put together by our own residents and community members. There's going to be 4 or 5 performances. It's going to be amazing. I haven't seen them, but I hope they are amazing. They will be amazing. I know that, right? So then after that, we're going to go take a break for dinner. And after dinner, we have another round of beautiful performances. There's going to be some group activities after dinner, right? We're going to play some games. And after that, there's going to be open musical chair and open dance floor. And as always, we're going to end with bingo night, bingo over dessert. And this time, there's a special dessert for everybody. So that's your incentive to stay on. And there is a big bingo prize. So whoever stays long enough to win those bingos, they're not going to be sorry. I guarantee you.
Absolutely. And then I just wanted to, I mean, you guys are looking at your MCs here, right? Like, हम लोग इस बार सोच रहे थे कि we will have a man and a woman, right? वहाँ पे आएंगे. वो हुआ नहीं. We tried. We obviously opened the forum for everybody that come and join us, become this. So hopefully next year. But इस साल फिर हम लोग का थीम ये था कि एक बाल कलाकार, मतलब जिसके पास बाल हैं, और एक जिसके पास जो बाल कलाकार नहीं है, बिना बाल.
Hardik किधर है? Hardik, you need to stand up for our people. Hardik, we need to stand up for our
I
people.
guess, yeah. So.
This side of the room. Aura.
You stand in the middle.
Alright.
Sure.
We're going to get started, and the first thing we're going to do is we have a couple of new families joining us, this community. So I'm just going to call upon them to introduce themselves, right? And we're going to start with Anand and Dhara. Can you please come here with your family and introduce yourself? Or as they're coming up, right?
Let's welcome them. Everyone, please welcome the new family.
Hi everyone, nice to see all of you, and it's great to be here at this party. Quick introduction, my name is...
Slide to the middle. Under, slide to the middle. We can see you.
I'm Anand, this is my wife Dhara, these are my parents, these are my kids, Aravi and Arav, they're twins in second grade.
Yes, towers.
So we moved here from New York. Originally I'm from Pune, Dhara is from Ahmedabad. We both met in the US as students. She's a PhD working with Regeneron. I'm a medical doctor and a PhD. I work as a medical advisor with Sanofi. We both have been in the pharma industry. We are at Kimberton Drive, Doral Village. It's great to be part of this community. We love being here. This party is fantastic. It's great to meet everyone, great to see all these families. And we are very thankful to all of you to welcome us to the Bluebell Country Club family and looking for many happy memories moving ahead.
Welcome.
Kids also.
Okay, do you want to say it?
Hello,
Hi.
Uncle and auntie, you should say something.
My name is Dilip Lakkar. We are Maharashtrians and we come from the city of Pune. I'm a radiologist by profession. I'm now almost semi-retired and I've been in medical colleges, various medical colleges in Maharashtra. And our son is here and his wife is from Ahmedabad, a Gujarati, but excellent in Marathi now.
I can read, speak, understand and fight in Marathi. Because Gujarati we just love. We don't fight.
She's trying to
Yeah,
teach
you both there.
Gujarati to our son. So I hope he learns quickly. Yes. And my wife, she is a medical doctor and she worked in central government and now she's retired and we live in Pune. Her daughter also lives in Westchester. So entire family is here, but we are going back now shortly. Thank you and all the best and very nice gathering. I love this gathering very much.
You guys can be really beautiful and enjoy the walks over here.
Enjoy the
I'll
walks.
keep coming.
And I just wanted to add one thing.
Half the crowd is Marathi.
Yeah. And I just want to add one thing. I cannot speak Gujarati. My wife makes sure that I don't understand Gujarati so that she can complain to my mother-in-law about me.
So you don't fight in Gujarati.
I can't fight in Gujarati. I fight in Hindi.
So Anand, we make friends here. We will fight you
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Welcome guys.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Did Milind actually say that there is no fighting in Gujarati?
He did say that. He did say that.
Yes, it's like normal speaking is fighting. तो कौन सा वो जोक था? खाकरा, फेफड़ा.
ढोंगी नाकू कुछ तो ऐसा होता है ना, फाफड़ा नाकू something like that.
The wives, okay, only wives fight.
14 hours.
Ask the wife if Milind what Milind said is right. All right, next
Milind के
up.
बारे में तो काफी कुछ कहा जा सकता है, but not right now.
So next up, we have another new family joining our community, Karthik and Akanksha. Could you please come up here? All right. Oh, hold on. I was told that you are from Mumbai. I thought Thane is not in Mumbai. Sorry. My wife is from Mumbai. I mean, Thane.
So that's the point. Right?
Hi everyone, I am Akanksha, this is Avira, and my husband Karthik.
You didn't say the last names.
Okay, I am Akanksha Karthikar. For people who are from Mumbai, I am from Kalyan and he is from Thane. But for people who are not from Mumbai, we are from Mumbai.
Wide enough aperture Mumbai दिखता है वहाँ से.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Airport to Mumbai.
हाँ, Mumbai.
So we met back home in India, in Mumbai, in Mumbai, because we went to college in Mumbai. And then I moved for grad school in Louisiana State University. He went to Ohio State University. And then we were in Virginia for about 10 years. And then moved to Pennsylvania last year. We were renting in North Wales for a year. And then just moved to this community in July. So we are very new. So glad to meet all of you. What else?
So my name is Karthik Ramasubramanian.
Yeah.
So she's Marathi and Tamil.
Two states. No.
Yes.
2 states. Almost.
But I was born and brought up in Maharashtra.
So you guys fighting Maharashtrian, right?
So I was going to say, if somebody fights with me in Marathi, I would change to Tamil in mid-sentence. Yes.
Yeah, I can understand a little bit of Tamil after so many years of marriage. So
Yeah, barely so
Too
far.
bad we can't talk about me now because I can understand.
Yeah, enough talking.
Yeah, but it's really nice to meet all of you. And this is great. Yeah. Thank you.
एक मिनट ये जो तमिलियन और जो मराठी का जो तो इसमें फाइटिंग में कौन जीतता है? तमिल में जीतते हैं या हु विंस बेसिकली कि मराठी में ज्यादा पावरफुल लगता है? हाँ, एक डेमो हो जाए कि एक तमिल और मराठी में कैसे झगड़ते हैं, क्योंकि
ये गोडबोले है.
हाँ मैं गोडबोले हूँ, उसको पता है.
मेरा एक दोस्त था अपूर्व गोडबोले.
एक अच्छी गोडबोले भी था, एक था
चाची चार तो भी गोडबोले.
लक्ष्मी गोडबोले. तो एक डेमो हो जाए कि आई जस्ट वांट टू सी कौन जीतता है यार, तमिल और मराठी इट्स पावरफुल.
अरे हम लोग यूजुअली वी टॉक इन हिंदी ओनली. हम लोग हिंदी में ही वार्तालाप करते हैं.
मैं सिर्फ तमिल और मराठी की बात कर रहा हूँ कि कैसे फाइट होता है.
Language doesn't matter.
लैंग्वेज डजंट मैटर.
Body language.
Language doesn't matter. Life always wins.
हाँ ठीक है. नहीं he's okay, he's a youngster यार.
वो सब कुछ पता है.
हाँ इसको पता, उससे पूछना पड़ेगा.
अरे स्वाति जी, इनके बाहर निकलना है. कहाँ पे? वाइफ के सामने कौन जीतता है?
मैंने पूछा थोड़ी है. वाइफ मैंने ये पूछा नहीं कि वाइफ कितनी है कि हस्बैंड कितना. मैंने पूछा लैंग्वेज कैसे होती है. Who becomes powerful in the language?
Yeah.
I know one teacher. It's not a question. Okay, all right, that's great. Thank you very much and welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Welcome. Welcome to the community.
Okay, so one more.
We have one more guest actually. She's a professionally trained and professionally accomplished dancer and performer with long list of accomplishments to her name, right? I think I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't be able to do the justice if I introduce her. So I'm just going to call upon Annie. She's going to introduce herself, and there's going to be an amazing performance where people pay to watch this performance. She's going to perform as well, but she's going to introduce herself.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, my name is Annie Ranita and I am from Mumbai. I came to the US in 2021 for my master's. I did my master's in engineering management from Stevens Institute of Technology, which is in New Jersey. And after graduation, I worked for a while in IT. And then recently, a month ago, I moved with my aunt. She stays in Birkdale. Her name is Mrs. J.C. Naveen, and my uncle's name is Mr. Naveen Itikar. So, sadly they... What? Pardon?
We know Naveen. Mr. Naveen sounds a little different.
Yeah, I mean... sadly they couldn't be here for this event today, but I'm going to be representing them today. Just to give you all an introduction about what I do, apart from IT, I am very interested in dancing, singing. So I have performed in national level competitions in India. I have recently started a dance class over here. So please come for it. It's on Mondays from 7 to 8 for the ladies and adults batch. We are hoping to start a kids batch, so hoping all the kiddies to... Oh, y'all can come too. 7 to 8 Mondays. Huh?
We can't go.
Oh, y'all can?
No.
Yeah, all are welcome. I mean, so far we have the ladies in for the batch, but all are welcome. So on Mondays, 7 to 8 over here in, I don't know what's that room called, but yeah, it's in the clubhouse. So
that is the dance room.
Yeah, at the dance room. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much.
I'm sure when you look at all the male dancing today, you will say कि नहीं नहीं आप लोग क्लास में आना ही है आपको.
We need lessons.
They all are welcome.
We need lessons.
Oh sure. Please come on Mondays. Mondays 7 to 8.
Okay. All right.
Thank you so much and happy Diwali.
Okay, it's about time.
All right. This is where it starts. It really starts, all right? We're going to start with a smashing performance by
Auntie.
Auntie ne bola.
Aunties नहीं बोलेगा. Aunties नहीं बोलेगा. Okay. Nobody aunties. Okay.
He said.
Nobody said auntie. Nobody is even going to say auntie. No. Right?
So there's going to be a smashing performance, but the most important part for the show is that we have amazing special presenters. They're going to introduce the performance. They're going to come up to stage and they're going to introduce what the performance is about and they're going to talk about it.
All right.
Great.
It's Meher.
This is what we were saying, that because they are going to present, we took that up liberty.
Future MCs. Yeah, there we go.
Thanks, Parag Uncle. Namaste and happy Diwali, everyone. Namaste and happy Diwali. We are so excited to present this special Diwali dance segment. Everyone performing today has worked so hard and practiced many times to try to make this show wonderful for all of you. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show filled with music, food, and lots of fun. Our first dance of the evening is from our amazing superheroes who will perform 2 songs from the different regions of India. They have practiced almost every week while balancing work, kids, and everything else. They are ready to light up the stage tonight. Please give it up for the first performance of the night.
उशिरा आला यो मोठी मला कसली रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो शाळा माझी सासू तुझी मदत ए माझी होणारी हमसफर I like your beauty, I like your fashion तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझे कंबर हाय चाला शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल ते पाहिजे ते गिफ्ट एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाला शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल ते पाहिजे ते गिफ्ट
நாடின் நன்மகனே பொன்மகனே முத்தாயவனே இன்னும் சூரியனும் சந்திரனும் நயவனும் காலம் கத்து வச்ச ரட்சகனே சிம்ஹாரகனே அண்ணன் கண்ணனை அண்ணனே பயமே மாறிப்போய் அண்ணன் வந்த தும்பித்து மெல்ல திருட்டில் சிட்டி வாழும் ராஜாவுக்கு எல்லாரும் சொல்ல இவனே குருவானாய் ஜனத்திலே காலம் எடுத்து வச்ச சொர்க்கம் வரும் Can you pose for one picture, please?
Yeah.
This is so amazing.
Pose for photos. Mani.
Yeah, Maniji.
I'll summon the front.
Yeah.
I just don't want to block anybody.
Yes.
That puts the party. That gets the party going. That's for sure. All right, for our next performance, let's see. I have a feeling that it may top it, actually. So to introduce the next performance, Saira, she's going to introduce the next performance.
Now it's time for our second performance, and this one is extra special. That's right, this performance is by my friends. These talented girls have combined all the music tracks, choreographed their own dance steps, and worked together to create something amazing for us tonight. Please welcome Maher Seth, who will be will be joined by Ari Joshi in this exciting melody of Hollywood fusion dance.
Alright. 3 cheers. Go to girls. Alright, go.
Let me know when your girls are ready. Ready? Guys, 1,
Wonderful. Thank you.
Here,
All right.
something for your performance, and it's for you. Thank you very much. It was beautiful, lovely.
And of course, thank you, moms. Thank you, moms, for I'm sure you put in effort. So thank you.
Yes. was so great. Amazing.
Amazing.
Really.
Oh wow,
That's even great.
I've been told that this is all them. Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
I think kids get to wonder when the parents are not watching, actually, right? So that's how it goes.
I'm going to be a desi parent and to ask my girls. अरे यार ऋतुमा की बेटी ने ऐसे किया, तुम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? No, I'm not going to do that. शर्मा जी की बेटी ने. शर्मा जी, the quintessential just Sharma. All right, the next one is going to be another smashing performance. The next generation, if you think that they can just do 10 seconds of TikTok reels, that's not true. They're going to prove us wrong. So please welcome Anaga and Sanvi. I think that's still choreography.
Yeah,
Big round of applause.
So let me know when you're ready. Ready? Right? 1, 2, 3, good luck.
Thank you very much. Big round of applause. Yes.
What a pose. Any pose you like.
All right, I think it keeps getting better.
Thanks to hardworking parents.
यहाँ पे ये तुरंत
खाली यही डांस था क्योंकि मैं डैड को कुछ थैंक्स नहीं बोलने वाला था लेकिन यार ये उसने एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लिया थैंक यू डैड थैंक यू मामा एवरीबडी ऑलराइट सो
not interfering. Thank you, Dad, Mom, for not interfering.
Exactly. Yeah. All right, the next one, we have Annie. All right, Annie, please come to the stage.
All right, she talked about the dance, so let's see. Let's go for Annie.
मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोलना सुन। चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल सागिर मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल तुझे ही बेचैनियों में आएगा दिल की सो के साहिब
Sani dhani sajama Magasani dhani sagama Magasani dhani sagama Sani dhama gama dhani Sani dhama gama dhani Dhani sa dhani sa dhani sa dhani sa Madani 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 Dhani sa dhani sa dhani sa Madani, 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 Sanida, madani, madani, madani,
Feature on Netflix. She's done some work for the Bungalow, the famous restaurant in New York City, right? I just want to make sure that we have a pleasure of watching you dance for free. Yeah, thank you. It was wonderful. And please, can you talk a little bit about your experiences in like dance finale? Yeah, please.
Sure. So, I completed my bachelor's in Bharatanatyam, so I have a teaching license in Bharatanatyam as well. So, apart from apart from bachelor's in engineering, bachelor's in IT, I do have a bachelor's in Bharatanatyam as well. So, that's that. Then I also got the opportunity to train in like Bollywood and freestyle under Shamak Dawar. So that's one of the things. And also, as I mentioned earlier, sorry, I'm like breathing into the So I also did perform in a lot of national level shows and competitions. Apart from that, I also sing, so I did get an opportunity to do Bollywood / I don't sing Carnatic, but I do Hindustani a little bit. Sorry. Thank you. 1 minute.
See, Hardik.
I'm like breathing into the microphone.
That's okay. Hardik, as usual, making all the other men look bad.
Yeah.
So I think
I just wanted to get in the middle of the camera.
okay.
I was going to applaud situational awareness.
Limelight.
Official attendance here.
What report?
But she has been amazing, right? She's been amazing. I think she's doing a lot of workshops here, all over the world, and she's doing here also as well. So I definitely recommend people to take benefit of it. We really appreciate you being here and running it here, right?
Thank you.
My wife always tells me, Prajakta always tells me that I don't need to dance only after I get drunk. Right? Maybe you can teach me how to dance without getting drunk.
Sure.
Right? Okay, all right.
If you can make us look good, like anything is possible, right?
दादा आपके बारे में मुझे मालूम नहीं है।
अरे तेरे को भी कर सकता है।
By the way, I hope you can hang out after the food as well, because there's going to be musical chairs and there's going to be open dance floor, right? And you need to vote. You need to vote and make sure. You need to be a judge and tell me that I'm the best dancer here. No, I'm not. It's not a competition.
I gave you the water. Just remember.
He has an upper hand, but you introduced me, so
We'll decide it after 10 p.m.
मेरी बीवी देख रही है मेरे को कि कितना ड्रिंक है, वो काउंट करती है मेरा ड्रिंक। Alright, but thank you. We really appreciate it. Thank you. The food is warming. You're going to serve the food very quickly, right? I think it's best when it's warm. So before we get started, right? I think we've seen all generations and all kinds of dances, starting with the elementary school, the middle school, and the high school, and the moms doing it as well. It's been amazing, right? So look.
What a community, right?
This is amazing. This is amazing, talented community, right? I didn't know all this talent existed in this community. So please, big round of applause for all the community talent that exists here.
Tell them for next year everyone needs to volunteer for one.
Oh, absolutely.
Please make
And
sure.
next year we need more performers.
Guys, we have 1 year to prepare, so okay, you've been given. Alright, and we got a nice dance teacher too, so no excuses next.
And that's the carrot and the stick, right? The carrot is you have one year to perform. You can get to shine on your in front of your community. But the stick here is, if you don't, me and Millen are going to dance. तो मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, हम लोग को दोनों को देखना पड़ेगा।
अगर आप लोग डांस नहीं किए तो फिर हमको देखना पड़ेगा। Okay?
भांगड़ा, अरे भांगड़ा ballet dance. You know ballet dance? Anybody know ballet? Raise your hands who know ballet dance. अरे बालिया, अभी आपको देखना पड़ेगा बाद में। It's like a rural Maharashtrian dance. अरे कोली dance. Yeah, that's it. अभी आ गए, next performance आ गए। भाई लोग आ गए। अभी तो मुझे निकलना पड़ेगा। अच्छा अंकल अंकल अबे तुम लोग को अंकल बोलूंगा तो मैं भी अंकल हो जाऊंगा ना यार तो मैं अंकल नहीं इधर Alright, we have a smashing performance, right? It's going to be an amazing dance performance before the food. Please give a big round of applause to our main event. It's not actually main event, but I'm just getting it. Main event.
Annie, this is what you have to teach.
Exactly.
These are your future students, as you can see. Alright, let's give a big round of applause to our male performers.
Right.
नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए लिखे जो खत तुझे हमको तुझसे प्यार है जिया बेकरार है आजा मेरी बुलबुल तेरा इंतजार है हमको तुझसे प्यार है जिया बेकरार है आजा मेरी बुलबुल तेरा इंतजार है तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन तेरे संग के लिए
Thank you. Amazing performance. Amazing performance. Some. Photo. Please photo. Yeah.
Can you put a nice
Photo, yeah, photo. The goal here was.
Thank you.
ये सब लोग अंकल लोग, I mean डैडी लोग. अंकल की गोल था डांस कैसे करेंगे लेकिन more than 10 calories burn नहीं होना चाहिए. Right? So I think they met their goal. But it was wonderful. It was amazing. Thank you very much. It's called lazy dance. It's called lazy dance. Yeah, it was lazy. That's it. So all right, let's refill those calories. The food is warmed up, right? Please yourself. थोड़ा orderly करो यार. सबके लिए खाना है. सबको मिलेगा. So थोड़ा लाइन में से आराम के साथ. Yeah, I think the food is being served. The food is going to be ready. Please, there's plates, there's food.
So I want everybody's attention. Even while you're eating, you're taking photographs or whatever you're doing, please. Let's focus on this dance floor now. Ready? Let's. Come on, for the next performance, give them a big round of applause. Let's go.
Right, are you all ready?
Ready. Always ready. Gigi is always ready.